guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Caroline and welcome. Okay guys, so today is Sunday. We just got back from church. I'm going to clean the house. It's messy. I have to clean my floors, all that good stuff. So I put on a Christmas movie to get me in the spirit of cleaning. I'm gonna turn on a candle and just start cleaning. I'm also gonna start cooking and just do all the stuff. So I hope you guys get motivated with this video. So I like to do them because, you know, when you watch someone else do something, you're like, oh, let me do it too. So I hope that you guys get that motivation that you need. And let's go ahead and get started. I've been using my dishwasher. I normally don't ever use it. But I don't know, I've just been kind of just wanting to not do dishes. I'm a slave to my dishes. So I started using the dishwasher and I'm kind of enjoying it. Just like putting it in here, and I've had a good experience. So I've been doing that. It's working for me. So if you have a dishwasher that works, use it. I promise it's totally worth it. I still have to hand wash some stuff because it's not dishwasher safe, but that's something that I look for now when I'm buying stuff. I'm like, is it dishwasher safe? Because like this, I love this bowl. It's from the dollar store, but I don't think that I could put it. Maybe I can. I'll try it one day, but I love it too much to lose it, so I just hand wash it. But yeah. So are you supposed to rinse everything and then put it in? That's something I need to look up. I do. I rinse them and then I put them in here. But leave a comment down below. Let me know, are we supposed to rinse it off? Make sure there's no food on top? I don't know. I think I'm doing it right, but you never know.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way, but as long as you're around, everything will be okay.
So this is something that I found on TikTok that I didn't know needed to be done. So your dishwasher needs to have this, it could be any brand, but this one is a Cascade Rinse Aid. It's a power dry, so it helps to not have those little drops of dry water. And it helps it like clean it or whatever. I don't know. It needs to have it. And when I looked at mine, it was completely empty because I didn't know. I had the little cleaning pods, but I didn't have this. So I started putting this in and, you know, make sure that the levels are good. And my dishes come out perfectly dry, no spots, and you know, it doesn't look weird. That's the part I didn't like. So if you're gonna be doing it, make sure you have some of this and that it's full, because I didn't know we needed this. No one told me. So that's why I like TikTok.
All I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Hey, Santa, the city is covered in snow tonight. Where did my love go? Santa, I'm waiting for him, but he's nowhere inside. And all of the presents are still by the tree. They don't mean a thing till he's here with me. If you know where he is, please give him a ride, and I will wait here by the candlelight, 'cause his love is all I need, and my love I can guarantee. So please, Santa, bring back my love tonight. Hey, Santa, sleigh bells ringing and my friends by my side, but it's not the same. Santa, I'm smiling but feeling empty inside, 'cause all of the presents are still by the tree. They don't mean a thing till he's here with me. If you know where he is, please give him a ride, and I will wait here by the candlelight, 'cause his love is all I need, and my love I can guarantee. So please, Santa, bring back my love tonight. Oh, 'cause his love is all I need, and my love I can guarantee. So please, Santa, bring back my love tonight.
We're having yellow rice with corn and pork chops with jerk seasoning. And then I'm just making a really quick cucumber salad that my husband requested.
It was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business in my little present shop, when the bell on the door jingled once more, and then time almost came to a stop. But somehow I knew, and maybe so did you, that everything would change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas on, this Christmas
so excited to use my new bowl. It's so cute. Ooh. And it comes with this stuff, but I'm not using it because I don't need it right now, but eventually we'll use it.
From this Christmas on, it's gonna be you and me decorating the tree. From this Christmas on. We forgot what you came for, and in the coffee shop just next door, we talked for hours on end, and somehow we knew that we'd found something true, and that everything would change from now on.